Paint.3D. Paint.3D is an upgraded version of MS Paint. Using Paint.3D program, you can easily draw 3D shapes and pictures. It is an interesting program that lets you be creative. It has a big library of 3D objects and advanced tools. Paint.3D comes with Windows 10 operating system. Starting Paint.3D. To start Paint.3D, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Scroll down to find Paint.3D and click on it. Figure 4.1. Tip: you can also open Paint.3D program using the search box. 3. In the welcome window of Paint.3D, Figure 4.2, click on the new option. The Paint.3D window opens Figure 4.3. Components of Paint.3D window. The main components of Paint.3D window are described below. Figure 4.3. Components of Paint.3D window. Menu button. Tools category area. Canvas drawing area. TechByte. To zoom in or zoom out of the drawing area, use the slider bar present above the canvas. Menu. Clicking on this button opens a menu displaying options like New, Open, Insert, Save and Print. These options help you perform some basic and important tasks. Tools category area. This section is present at the top center of the window. It has 8 different tool categories, which are described in Table 4.1. When you select a category, the related tools will show up on the panel on the right side. Table 4.1. Categories of tools. Tool category. Function. Brushes. It provides 10 different types of brushes. 2D shapes. This tool helps in drawing various 2D shapes. 3D shapes. It provides a number of tools to draw 3D shapes. Stickers. This tool offers different varieties of stickers. Text. This tool enables you to add 2D or 3D text to your drawing. Effects. It offers different filter effects, which you can adjust using the light wheel feature. Canvas. This tool contains options for controlling the canvas settings. 3D library. It helps in adding different types of 3D objects. This library has a large variety of inbuilt 3D objects. Canvas. This is the blank white space where you can draw and color pictures. It is also known as drawing area. It is the main working space in Paint.3D window. Using brushes tool. The brushes tool category offers 10 different brush tools. Most of these brushes let you draw freehand. Let us learn how to draw an object using the tools available in brushes category. Follow these steps. 1. Select the brushes tool category. Notice the marker brush tool is selected by default. 2. Adjust the thickness by moving the slider. 3. Select a desired color in the color palette present at the bottom of the panel. 4. Bring the pointer onto the canvas. Click and hold the button and drag the pointer to draw an umbrella. 5. Select the crayon tool. It to draw lines to the umbrella. Adjust the thickness and select a color as you like. 6. Click on the oil brush tool. 8. To add a color pattern to the umbrella. Here, we have selected the turquoise color. 7. Use the fill tool to add a base color to the umbrella. Here, we have selected the pink color. TechByte. The eraser tool lets you erase any part of your drawing. The fill tool enables you to add color to a closed shape. Drawing a 3D shape. To draw a 3D shape, follow these steps. 1. Click on the 3D Shapes option. 2. On the right pane, select a 3D object. Here, we have selected the pyramid object under the 3D Objects section. 3. In the color palette, select a color. 4. Select a material for your object in the Choose a Material drop-down box. 5. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to draw the shape. 6. Release the mouse button once the shape is drawn. 7. You can change the color of the object using the Edit Color option. 8. Once you have drawn the object, click anywhere outside it. Saving a drawing. To save a drawing in Paint 3D, follow these steps. 1. Click on the menu option. 2. Select the Save option, Figure 4.8a. 3. On the right pane, select the Paint 3D Project option. 4. In the Name Your Project dialog box, enter a suitable name. 5. Click on Save in Paint 3D option. Tip: to save your drawing as an image file or 3D model, click on the menu Save Image 3D Model. Note: to save a 2D object as a project, select the Save As option from the menu. Opening a drawing. To open a saved project in Paint 3D, follow these steps. 1. Click on the menu option. 2. Select the Open option, Figure 4.9. 3. On the right pane, select a drawing from the Saved Projects list. Tip: you can open any other drawings or images using the Browse Files option. Creating a new file. In Paint 3D, to create a new file, follow these steps. 1. Click on the menu option. 2. Select the New option. A new file opens on the screen. Closing Paint 3D. To close Paint 3D, click on the cross button present on the top right corner of the window. Infotech, Sketchpad, and Blender software are used to create 3D objects. Wrap up. Objects that have length and breadth are called two-dimensional or 2D objects. On the other hand, objects that have length, breadth, and height are called three-dimensional or 3D objects. Paint 3D is an advanced version of MS Paint. Using Paint 3D program, you can easily draw 3D shapes and images. Canvas is the blank white space where you can draw in color. It is also known as the drawing area. It is the main workspace in Paint 3D. Brushes tool category offers 10 different brush tools. Most of these brushes let you draw freehand, 2D shapes, and 3D shapes. Tools enable the users to draw various 2D and 3D shapes, respectively.